I picked this up today and I'm very excited because I like nice handbags and I like Louis Vuitton handbags. So I bought one today. It's not something I do very often, but I do have a few that I have purchased over many years, and I really enjoy using them. And this is a new one, so I'm going to show you what I bought. These two little bags are, the sales associate gave me some perfume samples, which was very nice, and they do have a couple scents that I like, so I'm excited about that. But that's all that's in these little bags, and they're such cute little bags. I keep the bags in the boxes. I enjoy that. I actually decorate my closet with the bags and boxes. But let's open this up and see what I picked up. Here's their iconic box, how they wrapped my purchase. And it's just such nice detail. They're beautiful. Here's the bag in the, there goes the bag falling over. Here's the dust bag that the purse comes in. Let me just adjust this. Just a nice dust bag. The lettering's in blue. And here's the prize. This is the Diane bag. I purchased it in black, and it has this beautiful bluish purple inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's one of the reasons I got this color bag. And it comes with two straps. It comes with a black leather strap, which makes the bag a little dressier. So there's that look. And then it has this sportier strap with the name on it. And their hardware is very nice. Has Louis Vuitton on it. Swivels. It's really good hardware. This is a pricey bag. It's not something I buy often, but I do enjoy a nice handbag every once in a while. So this strap makes it sportier. The snap is a magnetic snap. The back of the bag has a slip pocket, which is great for a telephone. It goes from end to end on the bag, so there's plenty of room. And here's the fuel, well, after I take out some paperwork, here's the full view of the inside of the bag. It's quite roomy, has one large zippered pocket at the back, and it's using that same purple lining inside. Their zippers are all great. They use good materials for the hardware. The inside of the bag, I was told, is a man-made material. It looks like suede, it feels like suede, but the gentleman did tell me it was man-made, and it's just luxurious, it's beautiful. It's a leather bag, unlike the canvas bag. And I was looking at the monogram over the black, and then when I saw the black, I liked it. And here's a few reasons why. Excuse me. I love the monogram, the LV monogram, Louis Vuitton. It's iconic. It's stood the test of time. I like it a lot. And the reasons I did not get it was because it comes in two colors. It comes for the monogram. It has an inside of their hot pink or fuchsia, and then it has an inside of black. I like the inside hot pink or fuchsia. I've said it in other reviews, I love bags that have a different color on the inside than the outside. I just find it makes it easier to find whatever I put in the bag when the inside is a different color. Now the fuchsia inside has a strap that has pink and white on it. And though I like pink and white, I did not like the strap. The one that has the black on the inside has a black strap. And I like the strap, but I did not like the inside. I would have rathered the pink strap. So then they have this in white leather, which is gorgeous, and it has a white and pink strap, or they have the black leather. And I only have Louis Vuitton monogram bags. I thought it'd be nice to get a leather bag, and the black just looks so sharp to me that that's why I ended up buying the black bag over the monogram or even the white bag. And if one day I decide to get the monogram Diane, then I can use the black strap on it, and I will certainly get the fuchsia inside. Now, I'm not saying that's what I'm going to do, but if I should ever be able to, maybe I will. It's an option. But I'm not throwing away that kind of money on a bag that quickly. So it's not something that's going to happen anytime soon, or I don't foresee it. This is a luxury gift that I planned on buying and budgeted for, and that's why I picked it up. So I'm really happy with it, and then I'll show you it loaded with my items as well. So I'm not currently carrying much in my purse. Right now it's just a wallet, earpods, a phone, and my notebook that keeps track of what I have going on. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when I fill it. My phone would go in this back pocket. I still have room to stick something in here. And like I said, all the hardware is very nice on this bag. Beefy, a beautiful strap, and the Louis Vuitton name written throughout. Here's a picture of the bottom. I'm going to show you what it looks like on. Thank you for joining me as I showed you my new bag. I'm so excited to have it and show it to you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.